Hello everyone and welcome back. This is my Lenovo ThinkPad T450. I noticed that the fan was getting a little bit loud, which indicates that there might be a bit of dust in there, dust and dirt. So I took my compressor and I blew out the vent here. That's where it vents out, and of course on the bottom as well, right here. However, now I must have done something with the fan, because when I power up here, let's go to the screen here, ThinkPad, it's giving me a fan error up here. And shutting down. So I'm hoping that I just got some dirt there that I did dislodged and probably blocked off the fan. It's not working, so I have to unplug the laptop, take off the battery, and take off the bottom and have a look at that fan. I hope to God I haven't destroyed anything. Be right back. Okay, it's hard to believe, but here are the blades of the fan. I guess the compressor was so powerful, it was set at 90 psi when I was blowing through the fan unit here. As you can see, it's right here now. I must have blown all these blades off. But I've never seen this happen before in my life. So anyway, I guess I'm going to have to order another fan for this unit. I'll inspect it there now to see how I might be able to remove it. And the fan is coming on now, of course, and it's blowing a bit of air. I don't know what all this is about, but it did come out of the fan, out of this hole here. So word of warning, don't use air compressor on your fan, this Lenovo laptop for sure. I just can't believe that happened. Anyway, this is about as far as I can go with this video, but just a word of warning. If your fan is getting dirty, there's probably a better way to do it than use a compressor on these models, because you may end up blowing your fan blades to smithereens. Thank you for watching. Look forward to, I guess, a part 2 if I can find another fan to put into the unit.